Welcome back to Glamorous. Today, I have a treat for you. It's not the ordinary veggie dish, so let's turn up the heat and turn down the meat. We're making a fast, flavor-packed vegetarian chop suey that'll blow your stir-fry mind. First, let's prep the veggies. Wash and chop all vegetables. Trim the tough ends of asparagus and have Brussels sprouts. If using canned baby corn, drain and rinse. Next, let's make the sauce. In a bowl, whisk together vegetable broth. Soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Hoisin, if using. Sesame oil. Sugar. Salt. Pepper. And set aside a cornstarch slurry. Now, heat oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Add garlic. Stir-fry for 30 seconds until fragrant. Add Brussels sprouts first and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. They take longest to soften. Then add asparagus and baby corn. Stir-fry everything for another 3 to 4 minutes until crisp tender. Then we hit it with the bold, savory sauce and coat every veggie like a flavor bomb. Sweet, salty, just the right amount of kick. Toss well and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Who needs takeout when this is this easy? Let's go. Add in the cornstarch slurry until the sauce thickens and coats the veggies. Crisp asparagus, caramelized Brussels sprouts, and juicy baby corn all flash fried to perfection in one sizzling pan. It's fast, it's fresh, it's 100% plant-based, and it slaps. Like, follow, and share for more sizzling veggie goodness. Plate it up, and boom, dinner is done.